Hello everybody and welcome to the April unboxing. The box says April, well, it did say April. It says April right here. I'm not sure exactly which box this is, but I suspect it's probably April. This is from the Your Creative Studio Stationery subscription service. And I'm just going to pull everything out of the box so that I don't have to fight with that. But here is the little card. I have a feeling it's going to have a gardening theme. So let's go ahead and jump into this. Oh, look how fun. All right, everybody, a little bit of a filming shift here. I lost some of my footage, and so I'm having to refilm some of this, and we have a kitty cat in here now with us, so this is going to be a super casual unboxing, and I hope you're okay with that. The first two items in this box are these two wooden stamps, and these are really, really lovely. I really like these a lot. And I will do a test stamp so that you guys can see how crisp they come out, but it's been a very long time since we've had any stamp issues. So I'm not super concerned about that anymore. I know, in years past, some of the quality of stamps was questionable and the images did not come out, but we haven't had issues with that in a really long time, especially since Amanda started getting her own stamps made, and her quality is really, really superb. These stamps are super heavy, and they're really thick, and they're really comfortable because they have this groove right here, so I know it's going to be super comfortable to stamp with these. So I'll test those in a minute. The next thing we have is this roll of washi stickers in the shape of stamps, and I've played with similar things like this in the past, and while the designs are really lovely and the fact that it's perforated like this in an attempt to make it look like a postage stamp, the quality has suffered or really has never really been there. So as much as I love using these, and I do have to add my own adhesive, and they tend to tear. Like right here, I've lost part of the edge, and that's okay. It doesn't bother me. I am really not that picky when it comes to this stuff. I know a lot of people are, and when you spend your own money on something, you really don't want to suffer quality issues, but I just learned to adapt. I just have that kind of personality. I really just don't let stuff like that get me going. So I love this. I think this is really fun, and I really hope that I can use it and not have too many issues with it, but it's not like a make or break item for me. The next item is this pack of ephemera, and this baby's breath was inside of it, but in an effort to save its delicate state, I did not try to put it back into the package with the ephemera. Oh, Callie, you are laying on the stuff now, girl. So this ephemera pack has some vellum stickers, or I guess it's like a washi vellum situation. I guess they're just washi stickers with different designs. And then we have just some paper designs, and they're really, really pretty. I'm actually very excited to use this. I've never used this before. These designs must be new, but I just really think they're really pretty and delicate and soft, and I think that's kind of the vibe that Amanda wanted to go for with this box, was a very soft and delicate garden theme, which I totally jive with, like, immediately, because it's that season for us right now. We're starting to garden and do things. So yeah, here is the exclusive sticker sheet, and I really love the designs of this. This is something that I feel like is universally beautiful. Like, any region in the world could use these and be really like relative or like usable, I guess. And I really appreciate that. So I really love her designs. Next we have her exclusive sticky notes, and immediately when I saw this I was just like, oh my gosh, this would be a beautiful way to label things, to use as a mailing label for mail art, or just an accent piece or a layering piece, and it's just a sticky note and I just love it. And there's a lot that come on here, so I'm really excited to use this. I don't really love sticky notes like in general, like they just don't appeal to me as a whole, but this one, I like that it's decorative and usable with this sort of empty space on the side, and I really am excited to use this. The next item is this pack of like postage themed stickers, and we've had these several times in the past, not this design, but this similar product, and I say it every time, it's definitely one of my favorite things to get because the designs are always really pretty. I love anything postally related, and these being florals, they're just gonna get used up immediately, and there's 2 of every design, so I can use and share as many as I like. And I don't know, I just really love them. I think they're very soft, they're not super bold, they're not in your face, and there's plenty to share and to use on my own, so definitely a favorite item for sure, and in my mind kind of replaces the need to use this. So if this product becomes unusable in any way or too much of a hassle, it really doesn't matter because I have these florally postage stamp things, so makes up for that. Next we have these eucalyptus stickers. Kelly, you are knocking stuff off the desk now, girlfriend. I wonder how much of the frame you're taking. Next we have these clear eucalyptus stickers, and I can see that mine might have been miscut. So let's open it and take a look. I can't fully tell. Yeah, mine have been misprinted and miscut. I don't know if you can see. I don't want to bring it too close and have it be blurry, but see how there's like a lot of like the clear edge, and then like part of the image is cut off right here. So that's kind of a bummer, but yeah, and you can see some of the image still left on there. Kind of a bummer, but not a deal breaker for me. I'm sure I can figure out a way to use these, even if I have to just fussy cut around it again. But not a big deal. Okay, so we have another set of these stamps, and this is fun. So we get wooden stamps and then these stick-on stamps, which is fun, in the same images as the stickers, like the exclusive designs for this month, so we'll test those out as well. All right, we have another exclusive item here, and it is the paper ephemera. So we've got some vellum designs, we've got a single sheet of the vellum designs, of the exclusive designs, and then it looks like we get 2 of just the regular paper ones. These are really pretty, and this is not like a thick cardstock or anything. This is just like regular paper, but the designs are super pretty. All right, next is her paper ephemera with like the cutouts, like the die cuts, and these are thicker. So they're definitely a thicker cardstock, and there is a really fun selection of designs here. We've got the watering can, the spade, the hose wheel, some boots, a wheelbarrow, a little sun hat, some gardening tools, some planted plants or potted plants, roses, gloves, there's a gnome, a mini spade, a snail, a little bug. Super cute. Super cute. And the last item is very new. Now, when I originally filmed this, it caught me completely off guard. I did not expect this because it was packaged and I could immediately tell that texturally it was different. And this is tissue paper. It's 6x6 tissue paper with her designs collaged onto it. And we've never gotten anything like this before, so I'm really, really excited to play with this. Texturally, this is very interesting for me. So that is all of the items. Let's go ahead and test these stamps. I will be doing a creative video, probably mail art and journaling, because I just really love this kit so much. I feel like I can use it in all areas of my creative endeavors. Kitty cat butt snaps. Ooh. All right. She's like, excuse me, why have you stopped the pettins? Ooh. Love that. I love that there's always a different selection of items to use from the kit. There's stickers, there's tape, there's ephemera, there's stamps. Oh, that's really fun. You know, that part right here, it really doesn't come off that well on the wood, but on paper, it's a water reflection. It's really pretty. Let's test those other stamps right here. Yeah, I just really appreciate that texturally, there's a bunch of different designs that we can layer to get different looks of things. Just grabbing a clear block. And I'm just going to grab the hat. This tool. And a word. Maybe these gloves too, to see. Just want to fit as much on there as possible. And I am using my VersaFine Claire ink in the Morning Mist. I love this. The pad is very, it's not loose, but it's not hard. It's, I don't know, it just holds the ink really well and makes it so that the ink doesn't get blotchy, which I really like, and the color is really nice. It's not too intense like a black ink. Oh my gosh, look how crisp and clean that is. These are going to be so much fun to use. If I had alcohol markers, I would be all about coloring in these images. But yeah, that's it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this unboxing. I think the items this month are really fun. I hope that you enjoyed the, oh, she's stretching, the Calico Cameo. She is so fat. Oh my God. She's like, would you please leave me alone? All right, you're blocking the sun, fatty. All right, so that's it. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. I will leave everything you need to find your creative studio down below, and I will catch you guys later. Thanks. Bye.